By the end of this video, you will know how to refund a subscription in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in, go to the area where your subscription records are listed. Open Subscriptions, then find and select the subscription you want to refund. Take a moment here to make sure you have opened the correct subscription before continuing, especially if the customer has more than one active or recently updated plan. With the subscription open, move to the top right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu. This opens the actions available for that subscription. From that menu, select Cancel Subscription. Stripe will then open the cancellation settings where you can decide when the subscription should end. Choose the cancellation timing that matches the refund you want to issue. You may see options such as immediately or end of the current period. If the subscription needs to stop right away, select immediately. If the customer should keep access until the current billing period ends, choose End of the current period instead. The option you choose here affects both the cancellation timing and the refund choices that may appear below. Under the Refund section, select the refund type you want to apply. Depending on the subscription and its billing status, you may see Last Payment or Prorated Amount. Last Payment refunds the most recent charge tied to the subscription. Prorated amount refunds part of the payment based on the unused time remaining in the billing period, if that option is available for the subscription you are canceling. After choosing the cancellation timing and the refund option, review the details shown on screen. Look over the cancellation setting, the refund amount, and any other subscription information Stripe displays in this confirmation view. This is the point to verify that the outcome matches what you intend before the refund is processed. When everything looks correct, click Cancel Subscription to process both the cancellation and the refund. Stripe may take a moment to update the subscription status and create the refund record. Once that finishes, return to the subscription or open the related payment details to confirm that the refund was issued successfully. You are looking for the updated subscription status and the refund entry tied to the last payment or prorated amount you selected. If the refund appears in the payment details, that confirms the action went through. If you are reviewing the subscription page instead, make sure the cancellation status and refund information reflect the choices you made in the previous step. The subscription has now been canceled and the refund has been issued in Stripe.